Okay, if we continue on the formula sheet, if you look at sin x, if you differentiate, it gives you cos x. If you look at cos x, if you differentiate, it gives you negative sin x. Okay, let me stop a moment there. If they tell you y is equal to sin 2x, if you differentiate, y is equal to cos 2x, but this is not normal. So then you multiply with the 2, and my answer is going to be 2 cos 2x. If I look at cos x, let's say they give you y equal cos x divided by 4. Remember, that means the same as this, a quarter x, cos x. So that 4 is a constant number. It has nothing to do with the differentiation. You differentiate with respect to x. So if I differentiate this, I'm going to get here a quarter. If I differentiate cos, that gives me negative sign. So my answer is going to be negative quarter sine x. If I look at the next one, we have the tan. If you differentiate tan x, it gives you sec square x. If you differentiate cot, negative cosec. Sec tan. Cosec, negative cosec, cot. Okay, let's work from that point. And I give you a few examples. If we have, for example, y is equal, let's say, 4x minus sin x plus cos x, and they say minus, let's say, tan 4x. I'm just taking an example. So first of all, you differentiate with respect to x. So I'm going to say y1 is equal to 4 multiply 1, x1 minus 1, minus. If you look in your formula sheet, if you differentiate sin, you get cos x. If you differentiate cos, you get negative sine x. Negative. If you differentiate tan, you get sec square. But be careful, because there's a 4, there's also going to be a 4. And then you must multiply with that 4. So our answer is going to be 4x to the exponent 0, because 1 minus 1 is 0, minus cos x minus sine x minus 4 sec square 4x. All right, let me do another one. Let's have something like this. Y is equal to 5 over e to the exponent x plus 3 over sec x minus 4 cosec x plus 2 to the exponent x. If we look at that. First of all, remember, we're not allowed to differentiate any fractions. So you must simplify. So I'm going to say y is equal to 5 e to the exponent negative x. Move it up, use your exponent laws. Then you're supposed to know that 1 over sec means cos x. Minus 4 cosec x plus 2 to exponent x. So if I start differentiating, I'm going to have 5. E to the exponent negative x is e to the exponent negative x. But that x must be a positive, so I'm going to multiply with negative 1. Plus 3, if you differentiate cos, you get negative sine x. Minus 4, if you differentiate cosec, you get an answer of negative cosec x multiply cot x plus 2 to the exponent x ln 2. It's also on your formula sheet. It's your second one. So if we write this down, I'm going to have negative 5 e to the exponent x. Drop. Then I'm going to have negative 3 sine x plus 4 cosec x cot x plus 2x ln 2.